Want to install an app that stays only in your secure folder, totally private and separate from your main phone? Secure folder lets you keep certain apps and data locked away. Now you can even download apps straight from the Play Store into secure folder. No need to install them outside first. To do so, open the app screen, tap secure folder, enter your screen lock or biometric authentication. Tap the plus icon and then tap download from Play Store. Search for an app, for example Google Keep, to store private note. Tap install, so the app will now be installed only inside secure folder, not your main phone. And that's it. Now your chosen apps stay private and secure. It's perfect for sensitive data or personal use. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.